Okay, perfect.
But yeah, so I did the mean, the standard deviation, and then did I ask for the, oh, I asked for the sample size.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so this is how I set it up. So the mean is just going to be the average of the groups.
And then divided by how many groups there are.
Yeah, so you can, if you just type in average, it just does the work for you.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, so I mean, I know that it said that in the reading that we were not supposed to like confuse the mean and the average, but when it comes to Excel, when you type in equals average, it's going to give you the mean. And I double checked it with the answers too, and that was correct. So I know they were doing it the same way. And then what I did was I anchored this so that, wait, no, I didn't even anchor it. Never mind. Just ignore me right now. Escape. I just dragged this over like that. And then it took the samples from A, and then on this one it took, as you can see, it's C2, so it's this column. It just automatically did it for me.
Okay, awesome. I think that was really my only question is if like we had to put the divide sign in there or if it just automatically does it.
Oh, that's your only question then. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Sorry.
No, you're good. Thank you so much for explaining that.
Yeah, and then also there was another sheet that we were given as far as generating these things, the graphs. And so
Oh, okay.
we're supposed to, it's already like all of the formulas are put into this sheet. It gave us the sheet on the preparation assignment. But all we do is we just copy and paste like so all of A's information we copy and paste in here, and then it will just generate the graph for you.
Okay,
And
perfect.
so I just put A in, and then I would copy this, and then I would put it into the preparation assignment. So yeah, so there's A, there's my B, C, D, E. We just did it for me. So, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you again.
Yeah, no problem.
This down.
Also, yeah, so I was reading through the understanding due dates, and it was saying that we have a due date like that on Tuesday, the first lesson of the week's quiz is due, like the group quiz. On Wednesday, the second lesson of the week's quiz is due. And then like Thursday or Friday, all of our homework is due. So yeah, so anyways, but then it's kind of confusing because in iLearn it says it's not due till the 20th. So I hope I didn't like ruin your guys' night by saying
Oh, it's fine. Yeah, because I checked up on that too, and it did say it was due on the 20th. And so I just didn't know if it would be like that, every week or if it's all due on Wednesdays.
Yeah. I didn't
But
realize that until afterwards, so I apologize.
Oh, you're fine. It's good to get it, done quicker, but at least we know for like next week and stuff, that we have more time to do it. So
Yeah, and what were we saying? Did we just want to meet on Tuesdays? Is that, or what days were we wanting to meet?
yeah,
Tuesdays at 7.
Yeah, that works for me.
Tuesdays at 7. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, cool. And then we'll have both of them done. Sweet. Okay, well, do you guys want to take the quiz together then, or did you have questions about the assignment?
I'm good with the quiz unless you have questions.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Because I think my questions are mainly just like figuring out Excel on that one part.
If you need help, both of you, if either of you need help with Excel, I took the Excel class from BYU Idaho last semester, so it's like really fresh in my brain.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Where mine is a little bit dusty from 2 semesters ago, so.
Yeah, so I remember how to do everything. So yeah, all right, let's do this quiz.
Perfect. Let's see. Gotta get my quiz pulled up.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, cool.
All right, so we have to download an Excel sheet for this.
Do we?
Right into it.
Oh. The wrong site, wrong patient.
Yep.
I swear I already downloaded that one. Maybe it's a
Did you?
different one, so I will do it one more. Yeah, I already did.
Okay, mine's still scanning as well.
Okay. I'm just gonna read through the questions, but when you guys are ready, go ahead and one of you can read. Okay.
And it's the wrong site, wrong patient one, correct?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Did you get yours to work, Brandon?
Just now. Took forever to load up.
Yeah, mine pulled up just now too, so.
These are the same questions that were. Actually, I think these might have been on the homework. Either were on the homework or on the preparation assignment. Can't remember. I'm looking really quick. Yeah, these were on the homework. That's nice.
Yeah, that is nice. The Excel thing is all pulled up now. Okay.
Were you able to open it yet?
Yeah, I have mine pulled up. Is yours pulled up?
Yeah.
Same here.
So I'm ready when you guys are.
All
We want to
right.
work through it together. It says find the mean hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar. Let's see.
So what I did was I just went and just did the average of column A.
Did you get 80,041?
Yep.
Okay, sorry, I'm still trying to type mine in here.
No, you're fine. Take your time.
For some reason, it's not letting me type anything.
Well, I don't think you could do. You can't write a dollar sign in the answer. Whoops.
Okay. Sorry, guys, mine's still not letting me.
Is it your Excel's not working? Like your Excel's not letting you type?
Yeah.
At the very top, is there like a little yellow bar that says enable editing?
Yeah, so I clicked that already, but then it just says like product notice and it says update now, manage account.
Can you share your screen really quick? And we can see maybe what's going on.
Yeah, let me. it'll work. Because it was working
It's super weird.
earlier, but now it's just being weird. Okay, I'm gonna click this enable thing here. Okay. All right, can you direct me on how I can share the screen with you?
Yeah, so on this screen that you can see on the very left, there are 5 icons. And there's a little green icon with an arrow that says screen share, and if you just click that, it should give you the option of which screen you want to share.
Okay. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Not yet. Bizarre.
Okay. There we go.
There we go, yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, that's so weird, so it's not.
Okay.
Do you have
So here it is.
another Excel sheet up right now?
I did, but then I closed out of it. It was one of the later assignments.
Okay, so this is the only one you have open, because sometimes if you're clicked into like any other Excel sheet that's open, it won't let you type in the current one.
Oh, okay. Maybe it just took a little while to.
Yeah, so if you just close that, that's probably why.
Okay, so
sometimes it's, yeah, I don't know. I would do that all the time and be like, why is it not working?
right.
So it's working now, though. You're good?
No, it's still not working. I thought.
I think you might have to update it.
Yeah, I think you might.
Okay.
If you want, like, if you just look on my screen, it's got all the information.
Yeah, let's do that.
And like we can walk through it and talk through it, obviously. So
okay.
Like
yeah, and then I can just
talk
it through on how to find it. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Sorry about that. I don't know why it started acting weird. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so the next question, I don't know if you can see my screen, okay, yeah?
Yes.
I did jump ahead. It says the median amount hospitals had to pay for wrong site lawsuits. And so I just did equals median for this group, and I got 68,552. Everyone agree with that?
Yep. Did you get the first question 3?
Yes, I did. I got 80,000. What's happening? 80,041.
And do you mind zooming in on your screen? It's just a little bit blurry there.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, there we go.
That better?
Yep.
Wow, I'm going crazy on here. I'm so sorry.
No, you're good.
Okay. And then number 5, standard deviation. No way. So we're going to do equals stdev.s. I'm going to go over here. Boom. And we get 71,404.
Perfect.
I think that might be the only time we'll need to download something. Sounds good. Okay, someone want to read number 6?
What is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients?
I think it's 7.
So add them all up and then divide by 4.
Because it adds up to 28. Divided by 4 would be 7.
Yep. Yep. That's what I got too.
I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. 7. I believed you guys. I just wanted to put it on my Excel.
Yeah, no worries.
I want to feel smart, you know? Median survival time. You guys already do it? Am I behind?
No, you're good.
I got 4. That's what Excel told me.
The median.
For the median. Because it would be the average of 3 and 5.
Right.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep. Because it's the value that lies in the middle of the data set when arranged in ascending order. Okay.
You're able to if you were to compute the variance by hand, the following table could be used. Use this table to answer the next 3 questions. Wait. What is
Okay.
the number you would have entered in the space labeled A in the table above? I don't see a table with an A in it. Do you?
I do.
Yes, I do. It should say column 1, column 2, column 3, and then in column 2 it should have A right across from the 19 if you have that.
What in the world? My computer does not show it. That's so weird.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, well, I'm going to rely on your guys' screen right now since we're just trading, I guess.
Sounds good.
That's what see what it just says.
Hmm.
Like there's nothing.
Oh, that is weird. Huh.
Okay, I trust you guys. The following table. Is it the same numbers as this one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Then what's the A? Yeah, I'll just let you guys go for it, and then you can tell me what the A is next too.
So so it looks like in column 2 it says deviations from the mean.
Mm-hmm.
So the observed data is 19. So we have to try to find.
So it'd be 19 minus 7, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And then do you use a square root of that, or is that not right?
The square root, that would be let's see. Because the variance is the square root of the standard deviation.
So the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So like variance is the large number. And then, so it says if you were to compute the variance by hand, what is the like the table look like? Because sometimes it has sometimes it like lays it out for you and says here, like for example, yeah. Does it look like this?
Yeah.
So this would be column 2, right? So then it would just, we don't need to square it. So it's just 19 minus 7. That'd be 12.
Yep, right. I think that's right.
That'd be 12. All right, and then the next one is what would be in the third column for 1? Squared deviations from the mean.
So that would be, so the third column would be, yeah, squared, so it would be 144, 12 squared. Right?
So it says, give the number that would be entered into this facility above. So let's see.
So the number we're working with is 1.
Right.
The observed data.
Oh, there's a B. Okay, sorry, I didn't see that, guys. So it's 1 minus 7, which is negative 6 squared, which is 36?
That's what I think.
Yep. Is that right? You said it was a 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you minus the 7, so yep, positive 36.
Cool. What's the standard deviation of the survival times? I'm doing this one on my Excel, sort of. I'm going to still break it down. What will do? Equals,
8.165.
Oh,
This is round to the nearest tenth, too.
What did you guys get?
I just used the Excel standard deviation of the four numbers. Got 8.165.
Yeah, and I'm just looking at your Excel sheet and writing down the numbers here.
Mine looks wrong. I think I did it wrong. Because, so this would be like the original data. This is the very... I think I might be doing it wrong. So isn't the variance supposed to be, so we square...
Standard deviation, and that would be the variance.
Sorry, what was that? So I added up all of these and I got 200, and then I took the square root of 200, which I got was 14. Is that right? Isn't that what you're supposed to do? Aren't you supposed to add all of these up and then take the square root of it?
I'm gonna look at the homework because I know I had a table on there.
Because isn't the standard deviation squared equal the variance? And
yeah,
so then
the variance is like the when you're supposed to add up all of them, right?
That's what I thought.
yeah. And then yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to see what you're doing there.
I feel like I'm doing it right, but on the homework too, I double checked my answers and like I got some wrong, but I just stuck with it because I felt like I was doing it right. Let me see. Yeah, like on my homework, I'm sorry, I'm gonna change the subject a little bit, but yeah, the sample variance, I did that exact formula right here and I got this number and this number, but like when I checked the answers, apparently.
Oh, right. So
I've got to be doing something wrong.
Yeah, so you add up all the variances squared, and then you take that sum divided by the mean minus 1. Or no, is it the median?
Yeah.
Yeah, the mean.
Oh, okay. Okay, so then you take the sum divided by the mean minus 1. Okay, equals this divided by the mean minus 1. 27?
What?
Hmm.
That seems even
You
more
gotta be
wrong.
doing something totally wrong here.
Let's see.
It shouldn't be that hard. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm making it complicated.
No, you're good. It's good that we can work this through for future things.
We're allowed to look in our book, right? I'm thinking we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, in our notes. We could always go back to that question as well if we can't figure it out. So should we just save that one for last?
Sure. I'm like just about to figure it out.
Okay.
As far as like what we're supposed to do. But if you guys want to move on, you totally can. We can catch up.
Yeah, no worries.
I think we need the standard deviation for the apple.
Yeah. So 11's just asking, what is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? So it would be the minimum value that we would try to find, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And then it says, give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
Here's our problem, you guys. Figured it out.
Awesome.
Okay, so it's not the mean. Sorry, can I go back to this really quick?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you for doing that.
So it's not the mean that we're supposed to do. So when you said, Brandon, mean -1, you're really close, but we're supposed to do the total number of like samples. So it'd be 4 minus 1. What? No. That's the variance. What? Never mind. Apparently I didn't read far enough. I'm lying to you guys. Oh, why is this so confusing? Yeah, okay, we'll come back to that. I apologize. We'll just keep going. Sorry, what did you guys say was for number?
So question 11, we're trying to find the minimum value of the wrong patient lawsuit data.
Oh, yeah. So we can actually use a formula for that as well. And it's under wrong patient lawsuit equals min. Mine says it's 0.
There's a couple of 0 ones in there, which kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
Do you guys already have that? I'm sorry if I'm behind.
No, I just did it right.
Okay, the second number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient.
Not the first quartile?
Yeah. Ooh, that's going to be kind of tricky. I don't know how to do that on Excel.
So the first quartile, is that like the 25th?
Yeah, it's like, it would be like the whatever represents 25%.
Right.
There we go. I'm figuring it out on Excel. Here's the array, and here's the quartile. And says it's 3,900.
Okay.
You guys see how I got that?
Yeah. Could you show us how you got that on Excel?
Yeah. So here's my formula. I just typed in equals quartile.
Okay.
There's a couple options, so I'm just gonna redo it right here. I've never done this before, but I just decided to look for it. So as you can see, I'm gonna try and really quick zoom in for you. Okay. So equals quartile. Yeah, there's EXC or INC. I don't really know what the difference is.
Okay.
But I just did the EXC and it seemed to work, but we can try to see what this second one does.
Yeah.
It says returns the quartile of a data set based on percentile values. So I don't think we'd use that one because that's a percentile value. I think we'd use this EXC.
I have 3 quartiles on mine. One just says quartile, doesn't have the EXCs or anything.
Huh. Does it have you type in the array? Because then the next thing was I just highlighted like, this is the array that I want to use, and then I just typed in the first quartile right here, and then I got the 39.
One sec.
Yeah, the quartile EXC is the only one that works for me. So I guess we're allowed to take this quiz 2 times. So if the 3900 is wrong, then we can rework it. What do you guys think?
Yeah, that works for me.
So the fourth number is the third number is the median. The fourth number is the third quartile, right?
Let's see. Yep, the third quartile is the fourth number.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing again for number 13. I'm going at a good pace, right? I'm not like getting ahead of anybody, right?
No, you're going at a good pace.
We're all going together. Okay, so let me know if I'm like not paying attention or something. Okay, and then quartile 3. And my Excel says that it is, it's rounded to the nearest cent. So it's 50,437. Red box is increasing. Is that good for everybody?
Did you do to the nearest cent?
What?
Did you do to the nearest cent?
Oh, to the nearest cent. Whoops, I did not do it to the nearest. I was thinking to the nearest dollar. So it was 50, so yeah. So it'd be 4,000 or 5. Wow, oh my gosh, 50,436 and 50 cents.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Thank you for.
And did we round question 12 to the nearest cent?
Let me double check. Yeah, it was a whole number.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Number 14?
Yep.
What's the third quartile of the red box decision times? I can't see the box plot. That's so weird. I wonder if I just need to start doing this on Firefox instead of or Google Chrome.
So let's see. third quartile of the red box decision times. So it'd be, so the third quartile would be like 75%, right?
Yeah.
And what is
About
it?
180?
By any chance?
Yeah, so let's see, 75% be. And it says give an estimated number.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't have to be an exact. So basically, McKenna, it just shows a box that has a graph and it has time in seconds. And at the bottom, it has 0, and then it goes 100, 200, 300, all the way up to 800. And then it has time in seconds at the bottom.
Okay.
And then there's 2 bars that are connected together. The bar on top is green, and the bar below is red.
Okay.
And
Brandon shared it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know if you see that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Is that like 180, 190, do you think?
Yeah, I'd say around there. Because it just says of the red box decision times, right?
Whoa, that's kind of confusing for me.
So how would we?
It doesn't mean that orange
Yeah, so
box.
how would we
The red
figure that
box.
out if it's just the red box decision times?
No, the red box
the
is
whole thing is the red box.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it really means the green one, I think.
So it's like 80. Did you guys say it's like 80 or so?
I would say, isn't it like 100 and?
Yeah, 180.
Well, let's see. Yeah, 180, 190. Probably 180,
Yeah.
I'd say.
Sorry, I was just focusing on like where it went to. Yeah, I'd say like 180, 190. I think there's probably a range in here, so I don't think we'll be docked if we put either one.
Right.
All right. What is the longest observed time in the red box customers in the study? 720.
Yep, I'm good with that.
Sorry.
720.
Sorry, what did you say?
It wants to know the maximum. I said it was 720.
Okay, yeah, so we just follow the line up, and that's about, 715, 720.
Mm-hmm.
So do we all agree to put 720 then?
Yeah.
So like 110 for the next one because it wants to know the mean. Oh, 105, I suppose. Was the value of the mean?
Okay, so let's add them all together.
I think it cannot be determined.
See this little middle line here?
But isn't that the median?
Yeah, that's the median. So the mean, we would have to sum up all of the variables
I'm basing
and then
this off
divide
of
by.
the homework. Because in the
Sure.
homework, you guys can see my screen. Like this was the box plot we were given.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought that if you just add all of these up and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that you could get the mean. But it turns out in the answers it said there was not enough information.
Okay. Yeah, I guess we'll just go.
I'm feeling like just based off the pattern.
Well, if
it's like giving
we
us the same amount of information, you know?
Yeah. And if we add all of them up and then divide by 8, then it equals 450. I don't know if that's correct.
Yeah, that doesn't.
I think we can probably stick with the not enough information.
Yeah.
All right. So back to question 10 then.
I think my brain is just being fried from today.
I know, me too.
Okay.
All right. Back to the standard deviation question. Let's see.
I'm just reading really quick.
No worries. I'm going to try to find something in the notes as well.
Okay, this is working. Okay, so the sample variance is the sum of all those numbers. Oh, you guys, I was kind of close. Where did my thing go? Okay. So this number, I don't know if you guys see my Excel, but this number is the sample variance.
Right. So we would subtract the mean.
So if I, what, okay. Here, I'm going to share my screen with you again. So it's saying that this is the variance right here. Which is all of these were added up together to get 2.20, and then it was divided by the number of samples minus 1, and it got to equal that, which is basically what I did on this Excel sheet. All of those added up for that, and then it was, yeah, the 200 divided by 4 minus 1 equals 49. So if we were to take the square root of that, we would get 7. Am I making any sense? So yeah, so it says that take the square root of the sample variance to get the sample standard deviation. So wouldn't it be 7?
Because when you do it on Excel, you get 8.165.
When you just type in standard deviation?
Huh?
Like when you take the shortcut and just type in standard deviation, you get
8.165 is what I got.
Yeah, I mean.
So it says, so the steps to get it is, so work out the mean, which we have, right? 7. Then for each number, subtract the mean and square the result. And then after that, then work out the mean of those squared differences, and then take the square root of what that was, and then that should give you the standard deviation.
So it says subtract the mean.
I have in my notes, it says, so once you work out the mean, then for each number, subtract the mean and then square the result.
Okay, right. And then we add together the result, right?
And then you work out the mean of those squared differences. So yep, the difference, you'd subtract them. So work out the mean of those squared differences, and then after that, you take the square root of those numbers, and then you're done.
Yeah, it should just be 49, but that sounds so wrong.
Some of the square deviations, I'm still just reading right here.
Is there a step 6 to that?
Yeah.
Um,
So it's saying
Square root
step 6 is take the square root of the sample variance to get the standard.
sample standard deviation.
So yeah, I mean, I feel like it's 7. Just based, like if we're following those steps exactly, it would be 7.
yeah, because the square root of 49 goes back to 7.
It just seems weird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I
put it
guess
out.
we
We can retake the quiz another time. So if you guys don't feel comfortable putting that, you don't have to. And if I'm wrong, I'll just redo the quiz and I'll get a different answer.
Okay, let's see.
It puts in that give your answer in months rounded to the nearest 10th. So that would tell me decimals. Okay, I'm gonna.
The only thing is like, so you know how it says that n? In this example, it's 5, and I'm assuming that's because there's 5 different numbers here. But I just want to double check where they're getting the n from.
All right, so I did. So yeah, the answer for that standard deviation is still 8.2 is what I put in, and I got it right. I don't know how the heck we're supposed to do that.
Oh, so you submitted the quiz and it's 8.2?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do that then.
But
And so then how did you get the 8.2?
I just did that through Excel. I don't know how they did it.
Okay, so you just typed it in Excel on your end.
But
That's
2
so
of the
weird.
other answers are wrong.
Huh.
So number 4 is wrong. And then so is number 13.
Let's see. So 4, we put 68,552.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is there something like on the Excel that was typed in wrong?
I'm checking really quick.
Okay.
I mean, I did the exact same thing and got the same numbers.
Yeah.
But we got number 3 right?
Yeah, you got number 3 right, just not number 4. Plus number 5 is right.
Hospitals had to pay in laws. What the heck? Not 68,552, huh?
I mean, the only other option you would have is put 3 zeros after a decimal, but that sounds wrong.
Yeah. Because that answer, I mean, just looking over it, it should be correct. So the median.
Maybe our teacher can figure that out.
Yeah, so gives a little feedback. It says that in SPSS calculate the Q3 differently.
Oh, some people use SPSS and some people use Excel, and sometimes they do it different. It calculates different.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry, computer's about to die here in a little bit. I'll have to run and go get the cord. So it was number 3, and what was the other one? 13 that we missed?
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, we're not using SPSS. So I don't
okay.
Fourth number and the 5 number. What?
So I'm gonna go see if I can get the cord.
Yeah, no problem. I do have to get going here pretty soon also because I have to go take my friend to her baptismal interview.
That's so exciting.
Yay.
Yeah, that's really weird. We didn't do anything wrong.
Right.
Like, I don't know how we could have gotten that. I think I'm just going to keep it, and maybe I can just email the teacher to watch our video or something because we entered it in correctly. I mean.
Yeah, there's no reason why it shouldn't be. If anything, put no. It's just fine.
Let me just double check that we didn't get the understand quartiles wrong. Okay, so 5 number, first quartile, second quartile. Yeah, it's the third quartile. Well, I'm just going to submit it.
Yeah, I mean, out of all the questions to get wrong, I didn't think those two would be the problem.
Wait, which one did you say we got wrong?
What was it? Number
3.
I got 100%.
Did I put
Did
in
you
the
type in like a weird comma or something
no? Well,
that you weren't supposed to type in?
6.
Yeah, look. Dude, 100%.
Here, go up to
Wow. Let's see. I'm gonna submit mine right now to see what it says.
I didn't even have the graph.
Phases you.
You have the same exact answers.
Oh, actually, I put a 437 on 13. That's why.
No.
You put
Oh,
for question
shoot.
4.
You can take it again though. You can just you
Yeah.
can get 100%.
Yeah, I got 18 out of 18 as well.
That was my bad.
Brandon.
Oh, shoot.
I put 2 instead of 5, 2. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, guys.
Don't be sorry. Just hurt you, but you can take it again. That's
Yeah,
hilarious.
I'll take that again real quick.
All right. Well,
All right.
cool beans. Thanks, guys.
Okay,
I'll see you
awesome.
next
Thank
Tuesday,
you.
yeah?
Good luck at the interview.
Oh, thank you so much. All right, bye. I'll send the link. I'll put the link in.
Thanks.
Okay, awesome.
Bye.
So